Another basic bass line, but very interesting, is the song Stand By Me by Benny King. And the version that I heard, it was played in the key center of A. But A note on the D string, which is at the 7th fret. Now with Stand By Me, the beginning of the bar has a preceding sound which comes from the 4 and, the and of the preceding bar. The basic emphasis notes are A, F sharp, 4th fret on the D string, D, either the 5th fret on the A string or the open D string, and then E, which is the 2nd fret on the D string. That's the arrangement. So if we were to play on the one of each bar, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. We looked at the pattern where we play the and between the 2 and the 3 only with the 1, and it sounds like this. If we use those notes, it would sound like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's the basic pattern. But now we have to add those lead up sounds to the emphasis on the 1 count and the and between the 2 and the 3. And the lead up notes come on the 4 and of the previous bar. So to play the note before we play the A to start with, we have to use the E on the A string, which is the 7th fret, and then the A flat, 6th fret on the D string, and then we land on the A. So we count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now that 4 and is the A and then the A flat to rest on the F sharp. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now the second time for that particular note, it's 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. It's not the 4 and, it's just the 4 which plays the E and then back to the F sharp for the 1. Then the same thing again, F sharp, E to D. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and now it's D, F sharp, E. And then back to, count that through the whole pattern. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. It's a very straightforward pattern to get used to because it makes us remember those divisions of the bar and when to play. Hope you found it useful. If there's any questions, please don't hesitate to make contact either via email or TikTok or Instagram, the email on the channel, or you can leave a comment and I'll get back to you either way.